First of all, Frank, thank you for reminding me it's June 1st because I ain't got my corn planted yet. And I hope some of the prayers were prayers for it to stop raining. A lot of this $210,000 is going for roads. I know when Tribal Council first started giving us 2% money way back when I was supervisor, we started working on roads and we're still going at it. And without roads, you can't have any kind of an economy. You can't have a casino, you can't have a marina, you can't have any of that. I mean, people will not come up in the tourist industry and drive down a road that us farmers are used to. They just won't do it. But anyway, that's where a lot of your $210,000, and Tribal Council has been very generous to me over the years. Thank you very much. I mean, I've been at this, as Frank can attest, for a very long time, and you've always been real generous, and a lot of it's gotten spent on roads. I can't think of much that hasn't, really. So, thank you. Thank you, Tribal Council. And I'm glad you have to make the decisions, not me.
Right over there, we're going to have you sign free.